Prepare to be amazed by the world of compact shotguns. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 smallest home defense shotguns that offer impressive firepower and practicality. These compact powerhouses are perfect for beginners seeking reliable and easy-to-handle firearms for personal defense. The Stoeger Coach Gun, Compact Powerhouse. Let's kick off our list with a historic compact powerhouse, the Stoeger Coach Gun. This side-by-side double-barrel shotgun brings together rugged charm and impressive stopping power in one iconic package. With its shortened barrels, the Stoeger Coach Gun offers swift maneuverability, making it a perfect choice for home defense scenarios. Its double-barrel design allows for 2 shots before needing to reload, and while it may hold only 2 rounds, don't be fooled. Each shot packs a formidable punch. The Stoeger Coach Gun's classic side-by-side configuration not only adds to its distinct appearance, but also contributes to its practicality in close quarters. The ability to rapidly fire 2 rounds gives you the upper hand in defensive situations, allowing for quick follow-up shots if necessary. Crafted with precision and quality, this shotgun is designed to withstand the test of time. Its rugged construction ensures reliability and performance, providing you with the peace of mind you need in critical moments. So, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful shotgun with a rich history and timeless appeal, the Stoeger Coach Gun is the ideal choice. Chiappa Little Badger, the Feather Light Protector. Next up, we have the Chiappa Little Badger, a shotgun that exemplifies simplicity and portability. Despite its compact size, the Little Badger boasts a powerful 410 bore chambering, ensuring you have substantial stopping power when it matters most. Whether it's for self-defense or small game hunting, this shotgun delivers reliable performance every time. One of the standout features of the Little Badger is its wireframe design, which not only reduces weight, but also adds to its durability. You can trust this shotgun to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures without weighing you down. Additionally, the Little Badger comes equipped with onboard shell storage in the stock, allowing you to carry extra ammunition with ease. This practical feature ensures you're always prepared for any situation that may arise during your outdoor escapades. Midland Backpack Shotgun, versatility on the go. For those seeking a versatile shotgun, the Midland Backpack Shotgun is a top choice. Its interchangeable barrel system allows users to switch between different gauges, from 410 bore to 20 gauge, adapting to various hunting and self-defense needs. Its foldable design makes it easily packable, while its simple break action ensures reliable performance. This shotgun is a must-have for those always on the move. But wait, we have something truly special coming up that will leave you in awe. A shotgun that bridges history and modernity in a remarkable way, combining timeless charm with contemporary functionality. Keep watching to find out more. Pedersoli Howdah Alaskan, a fusion of history and utility. Introducing the Pedersoli Howdah Alaskan. Inspired by the legendary Howdah pistols of the past, this shotgun is designed to meet the demands of today's shooters. Equipped with a double-barrel design, the Howdah Alaskan offers a quick and powerful response in close quarters. You can choose between 2 robust chamberings, 45 Colt for formidable stopping power, or 410 shot shells for versatility in home defense situations. The Howdah Alaskan's engraved case hardened steel frame adds a touch of classic elegance, evoking the charm of antique firearms. But that's not all. This shotgun also features a Picatinny rail, allowing you to easily attach optics or accessories, enhancing your shooting experience. When it comes to home defense, the Pedersoli Howdah Alaskan is in a league of its own. With its dual barrels and strong chamberings, it guarantees a swift and decisive response to any threat. The 2-round capacity in each barrel ensures you have enough firepower to handle potential dangers effectively. The Bond Arms Rowdy Derringer, unconventional power. Last but not least, the Bond Arms Rowdy Derringer stands out as an unconventional pocket pistol with a punch. Don't be fooled by its small size. This Derringer is chambered in .45 Colt and 2.5-inch 410 shot shells, providing substantial stopping power. Its interchangeable barrel system allows for customization, making it adaptable for various situations. The Rowdy is a powerful blend of old-world charm and modern versatility, making it a reliable companion for personal defense.